Hello friends, subscribe my channel. You can describe a place in a village that you visited. You should say where it is, when you visited this place, what you did there, and how you feel about this place. Let's start. I have visited many places during school holidays and academic trips. I am very excited every time I go to a new location because it gives me a chance to explore new things. Today I went to talk about a place I visited 2 years ago with some friend and university staff. Sivenda is an ashram situated close to Rishikesh. I went there 2 years ago when I was graduating. The organization has now become a well known and recognized social institution across the country. Not only does organization provide them with food and education and shelter, but it also instills gradually but family establish an idea or attitude in a person's mind, in them the morality to help our children grow, learn and become independent. I was in Rishikesh for a week ago visit. So our teacher and couple of my friends decided to visit this place. We had been there a couple of hours. We had fun with kids. Because we were computer students, we also gave the computer training to young children. It is a very lovely and peaceful. The side boundary is completely lined and tall trees. I saw 100 sort of flower there. Each thing seemed very nice and clean. Every staff member of this place was very corporate and always ready to help others, especially poor and needy people. It is located out of town and very close to a village, so there is a very open area where the kids can easily play. I felt very happy and satisfied to know that humanity is still alive. In this country, still people are ready to help the others and change their lives. Thanks for watching this channel.